actually. But I know.
Very big. Very big.
Let's hold the eggs. Okay, go Yuna. Alright, very good. Go. Very good. Okay, go. Superhero, fly like Superman. Do not.
거기 있어.
Teachers to the other kids as well. Thank you very much. Okay, very cutesy tayo siya. Hello! Russian na on. Hi! Siguro mo doon kay Brasil. Kasama mo siya sa
No.
No, English only.
No.
Oh, Korean! Annyeong! Annyeonghaseyo! Correct? O, diba? Kami na Korean guys ng mga Korean. Hello! So, he's painting a right? Sana siya mag-color actually. But I know it has a meaning. Only he knows the meaning of this painting. So good luck, little boy. I hope you win. Okay. And hello. Do you understand English? Oh, what is your name? Yuna. So can you tell Ate Rara the meaning of your painting there?
네가 그린 그림의 뜻이 뭐냐?
Wow, rainbow and flower. So I could really tell that there are flowers over there. No, very nice flowers actually. And I guess what's the meaning of that yellow symbol? Yes. Oh, it's the sun actually. Is it sunset or sunrise? Sunset. So that she really loves sunset. Okay, sunset lovers, baby girl. Okay. Okay, and this, what's your name? Gia, right? Hello, Gia. How old are you? You're 10 years old. Can you speak English? Oh, ito. Mapakalaban tayo ito. Are you Korean, right? Annyeong! Oh, diba? Ako na maayon. Annyeong. Comfortable po yung ating panunood while our kids are enjoying this very moment. Go! So you can request to, what's your name? Okay, you can request to Kuya Jack whatever design that you wanted. So, diba? Okay, yung ibang mga kids, medyo marami-rami pa dito yung nakapila. Pwede sa tamang input mo, ayaw ba ito yung ganahan mo, ma-secure na ang place, ma-secure na ang pila, so pwede lang yun. Oo, chinelas na ako ba ang ibigin?
Hello, my name is Nice to meet you. I love you. I'm from my mother chicken. I'm the second egg. First one already became a chicken. So I want to be a chick soon.
Yay!
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jake. Thank you.
My mouth is very big, very big.
Na 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 na. Ha 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 ha.
Yep, and you have the same superhero. I guess that's your idol. Can you shout what kind of superhero are you? You are?
Zoro.
Oh, Zorro!
딱 맞아.
그렇네.
Before you answer, Kuya Kobe, can you explain to us what's the meaning of your face paint? Later, okay? Next question is, sino ang sikat na Pinoy hero na gumagamit sa... Please follow Ate Rara. Dito tayo sa front, mga winners natin for the photo op. Sige. So, panata ko, maging mabilis, pero maingat. Lalakad lang, hindi tatakbo. Hindi manunulak, ng kapwa ko hero.
이야, 멋있다.
prices.
할
What is
거야?
the
귀엽지?
with price na para to according to Mom. Kaya mo yan, Rafa. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, Rafa. Sige nga. Fly like Darna. Okay, yun na. Yung higher talaga. Yung higher pa. Yung Darna talaga. Oh, go, Ate Yona. Okay. Sino yung magda-down? Ang grabe. Oh, grabe talaga yung ating Superman. Oh, parang gymnast. Grabe. Go, Rafa! Kaya mo yan, Rafa! Go, 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 Rafa! Parang nagtitinikling na si Rafa dito. Grabing tiktik yan, Rafa. Walang bibitaw. Ay, tutumba. So this top 5 have the strongest balancing skill. Kasi hindi talaga natutumba. Okay, picture with your prize. Smile! Say cheers! With special participation of, diba? Napaka-cute ng ating. Okay, do not let your eggs fall. Please po, hawakan. Do not hold the eggs using your hands. Do not hold the egg using your hand. Ready? Oh, ayan na. Oh, ayan na. Babalik ka talaga. In 3, 2, 1, let's hold the eggs. Okay, go, Yuna! Alright, very good! Go! Very good! Next, parents, straight line na tayo. Parents, straight line tayo. Follow the first person. Follow the first person. Correct. Very good, parents. Straight line tayo. Follow the first person. Follow the first person. Correct. Very good, parents. Okay. Next. In 3, 2, 1. Throw! Ang daming nang eliminate. Okay. Kasi long hair. Sorry po. Sige. This time, kids, so parent. In 3, 2, 1. Throw! Alright. Flip in the air! DJ, magdepende na hindi mo how. Kano sa stop sa music. Ready to the beat of the music! Now, okay. Hala. Okay, go! This is the movie. Anong saman to? Baragman! Nabarag ba na itong superhero? Okay. Kuya po sila diskarte. Go! Music! Okay, go! Superhero! Fly like Superman! Do not... Okay, go! Fly like Wonder Woman! Eggs!
거기 있어.
반대편 봐봐. 아니, 반대 테이블에 반대편.
여기.
테이블에 반대편.
나네개 찾았어.
We have one more.
더 찾아봐.
One more.
이쪽에 열심히 찾아봐. 제가 뛰어다니지 말고 그냥 서서 둘러봐. 둘러보라고. 이거 알지? 둘러보자. 좀 뒷걸음 뒤로 돌아. 자, 둘러봐봐.
an award for the best in costume award. So I have already the name of who will be awarded as the best. Okay, I will count in 3, 2, 1. Right after 1, you're gonna say Happy Easter Sunday. All right? Okay. So are you ready, kids? Ready!